What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and then I crack them open right here on Daily Diecast. Today, we have the Skyline episode. I have 4 carded Skylines, and we're gonna crack them open right here. As you probably noticed in the background, I have a whole bunch of Skylines. In fact, let's take a quick little look at them. That's every Skyline I've got so far. You know me, I'm a JDM nut, and Skylines are one of my favorites. So I thought, hey, let's go ahead and pick up some Skylines and crack them open. Alright, so they're in no particular order, but I am saving my favorite one for last. So let's start with this one. We got a 17 R35. Apparently it's a 50th anniversary. Really dig this one. But how could you not when it looks like this? Awesome car. So amazing. Oh, it even says 50th anniversary. I did not see that until right this moment. Got some nice details back here. Looks like the Nissan emblem's a little bit off center, but it's all good. Got a nice racing stripe going down the middle. Headlights look great. The GTR and the badge in the front looks fantastic as well. I think these are appropriate wheels, some split 5 spokes. It looks like a gunmetal gray. Unfortunately, there's no side view mirrors, so that's kind of a bummer. The windows are rolled up, and there is the black plastic base for those that wanted to see it. All right, that one is awesome. Let's put it right there. And the next one up is from the Fast 5. It just says Nissan Skyline. All black. It's really hard to see, actually. Hard to pick it up on camera. Maybe if we take it out of its package, it'll be a little bit easier to see. Let's set it free, as they say on the Hot Wheels newsletter, which I am a member of, by the way. I post pictures on there all the time. All right, so there we go. Got a 10-spoke, also in gunmetal. This one's got rolled down windows, and it is right-hand drive. Got some pretty decent taillight detail. Nice GTR emblem. Also no side view mirrors, which is a bummer. I do like how there's like basically no tampo and just nice solid black. I never saw the movie, so I'm guessing it's based on a movie car. Oh, got a cool gray lip. And you can kind of make out the oil cooler. It's also in black, so it's pretty hard to see. Got some side markers right there. Pretty nice little car. I dig this one quite a bit. It's kind of heavy, but I still think, I can't tell. No, that's plastic. Wait, is it plastic? It's hard for me to tell because it is quite a hefty car, to be honest with you. No, I think it's plastic. But it is hefty. It has a nice weight to it. And it's going to look great in the collection with the other Skylines. Alright, keeping with the theme, let's do the other Fast and Furious car I've got. This one is Fast 5 also. I had to double check the card because I have not seen the movies. And then we got an 09 GTR. Awesome. Super stoked for this one. Again, doesn't have any kind of like crazy tempo or anything like that. Not that I'm against it, but I guess if I did have to choose one or the other, I would like it just to be like a regular car. So just letting the paint speak for itself. If I can get it out. There we go. So this one got nice silver. A little metallic silver. Got a little scuff up there, but no worries. Taillights look nice. The Nissan is centered a little better on this one. You can see the GTR badge quite clearly. Now this one has those like Cragger style or type 5-spoke wheels, which is fine. Again, no side view mirrors, unfortunately. Rolled up windows. Got some hood vents. Blacked out headlights. No GTR badge on the front this time. So let's see, let's compare the two. No biggie. Some people might even take it off. But there's the black plastic base, got a little bit of texture on there. Very awesome. Super stoked to add that one to the fray. And the grand finale, in my opinion, my favorite one for sure, this beautiful GTR 33 in gorgeous metallic purple. This one, I guess, came out in 2018. I guess it's part of the Then and Now series, which is neat. Definitely cool with that. But when I saw this, I just could not resist. I just had to pick it up. Just had to grab it. These are all eBay purchases, in case you're wondering, because you're not going to find cars like this in the wild right now. But there we go. Again, with the split 5-spoke wheels. Also, no side view mirrors, unfortunately. Windows are rolled up. And this paint, I just can't keep my eyes off it. I can't take my eyes off it, excuse me. Oh my goodness gracious, I love this car. That color is fantastic. Back looks real nice. See GTR and the license plate. Taillights look good. Nice big metal wing. Let's take a look at the headlights. Oh, they look fantastic as well. Really nice detail. This car is truly something special. Look at that paint. So let's put it right there and let's check them all out one more time. So those are the ones I cracked open today. Let's pan out a little bit. We can see all the beautiful Skyline goodness. I would like to thank each and every one of you that watched this video today. If you're into this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Again, my name is Jesse and we will see you guys tomorrow.